So in this tutorial, you need the template open. I added my footer in from the previous tutorial, exactly the same technique as adding the header in. So currently my website looks like this. Let's have a look. So yeah, I've got my header, my footer, and we're going to do some work on the page body today. We're actually going to add, for the template, because we're still working on the template, the bit that gets copied over into every single page and used as a sort of backing or the main sort of layout of everything. We're going to add the navigation buttons into the template. So going into Composer, I'll just show you what the navigation buttons look like first actually. If we go to this, that's what they're going to end up looking like in the finished thing. I'm going to show you how to add the structure, the tables in to lay this out properly, and then I'm going to show you how to do one of the rollover buttons, just one of them. You can add the rest in yourselves. So I'm going to delete page body. What I'm going to do firstly, if you notice, this page is this section, the page body, is divided into two concurrent sections. If you look on all the other pages, the same thing again. You've got the main content, and then you've got this navigation menu to the side. So what I need to do firstly is I need to add a table inside of this cell. I go to Insert, I go to Table, and I just add one row, two columns. And what I do then is just make it the full height of the cell it's within. And I'm trying to work out why there's a gap there. Let me just come off it. Just backspace up. There we go. So that's nice and secure, nice and slick. And then what I'm going to do, because there are 5 menu items, 5 buttons I'm using, I'm going to add another table inside this cell. So we've got a table, then we've got a table within it, then we've got another table in one of the cells. I'm going to go to Insert, I'm going to go to Table, and this time it's going to be 5 high, 1 wide, and just narrow that. So just narrow this a little bit here, a little bit more, right up to the width of my mini table so far. Right. So all of these navigation buttons are actually stored as images. I've got 2 images. I've got the up state, right, which is there's no glow on it, and that's what happens when you don't put your mouse over it. We call that the up state. And then the over state is where you put the mouse on it. So there are 2 separate images here, and what we've got is a special little script doing a swap over. All right. So go inside of the first cell, insert, and then image. And we're going to find that image. It's inside another folder I made in my images folder. So I've got my website, got my images folder, and I tidied it up even more by making a navbar folder for these images. And I'm going to go for home up. Do you see? You can see there that one's not glowing, that one is. We want it to glow when the user's mouse goes over it, so use that. And I'm going to write home page button. Nice and straightforward. Okay. So there you go. Right, now when we preview this, so I'm just going to go to browse page. You can see that. Right, I'm going to stop here. I'm going to do another separate tutorial now about how to make this a rollover. So if you want to carry on, then you can use this tutorial. If not, you can just add all your images in, just like that for now, the up states.